In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Docusign signature, whether you're setting up your account for the first time or just want a cleaner, more professional looking signature. This walkthrough will take you from start to finish in a few simple steps. First, make sure you're signed into your Docusign account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page for your profile area. This is usually represented by your name or a small profile icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Profile. When you're on the profile page, you'll see several sections related to your account settings. What you're looking for here is the Signatures section. This is where Docusign stores all the different signatures and initials you might use. Go ahead and click on Signatures. This will open a dedicated area where you can manage any existing signatures and create new ones. If you've never created a signature before, this space may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. You'll see a button or link that says Create. Click Create to start setting up a brand new signature. Think of this as telling Docusign, this is how I want my digital signature to look from now on. Once you click Create, Docusign will give you a couple of options for how to design your signature. And the two main choices are Draw and Type. Each one has its own advantages, and you can choose whichever feels right for you. If you choose the Draw option, you'll be able to use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus to actually handwrite your signature on the screen. This is a great option if you want something that closely matches your real handwritten signature. Take your time here. If the first attempt looks messy or not quite right, you can clear it and try again until you're happy with how it looks. Remember, this is the signature that may appear on important documents, so it's worth spending an extra moment to get it the way you like. If you prefer a cleaner or more consistent look, you can choose the Type option instead. With this, you simply type your name into the box provided, and Docusign will automatically generate a stylized signature using different font styles. You can usually click through a few font variations to see which one best matches your personal style. While it might not look exactly like your handwritten signature, it will still be legally valid and professional. After you've drawn or typed your signature and you're satisfied with the result, the final step is to confirm it. To do this, look for the button labeled Adopt. Clicking Adopt tells Docusign that this is the signature you want to use on documents going forward. You may see both a signature and an initials version previewed. Adopting them confirms both, so they'll be ready whenever you need to sign. Once you click Adopt, your new Docusign signature is saved to your profile. The next time you receive a document to sign, Docusign will automatically use this signature, making the signing process quick and seamless. That's all there is to it. You've now created a Docusign signature by going into your profile, opening the Signatures section, clicking Create, choosing either Draw or Type, and then adopting your new signature.